When I tell people that I'm a physicist, one of the most common responses is some form of, "You must be really smart. I could never think that way." But that's just not true. Ordinary people think like scientists all the time. In fact, scientific thinking is one of the most fundamentally human activities that there is. As far back as we have evidence of humans, we have evidence of people thinking like scientists. Science is not a collection of facts to be memorized. Science is a process for figuring out how the world works. You look at the world around you, you think of a reason it might work that way, you test your theory with experiments and observations, and you tell everyone you know the result of those tests. This process is one of the most powerful tools we have for attacking almost any question that's worth answering. And this is something you use in everyday life. Whether you're doing a crossword puzzle, playing basketball, or just watching a mystery show on television, you make use of scientific thinking. So I can tell you not only how to think like a scientist, but how you are already thinking like a scientist without even realizing it.